The national anthem set the tone for the dedication of the Washington County Sheriff Office's new Community Correction Center. The brand new building will replace the broken down temporary modular homes that have housed low-risk working inmates for the past 13 years.
You walk in the wrong spot, you could literally fall through the floor. And so it brought attention to the county commissioners that we needed to do something about this.
The critically needed project went to bid back in the fall of 2017, but didn't begin construction until February 2018. The county was hoping to come in at around $1.5 million. But due to the high costs of supply and demand in the construction business, the costs ended up around $2.6 million, and they still had to cut a few corners. It took about 8 months to complete. The new building will house up to 120 low-risk inmates, most of whom will work in the inmate work program.
We're starting slow. We probably won't move in for at least another month. When we do, it'll be about 25 inmates total. They'll strictly be state level 4 workers, which are minimum security. As we add staff and grow a little bit, it can eventually grow to as much as 120.
The county pulled back on construction nearly 10 years ago due to the recession. The sheriff said it was a wise choice.
As we built this, we built it with just a little bit larger so that we can now move some of those contract inmates out into this facility, which opens up more space inside our current facility.
The entire facility is 14,000 square feet. Consists of 2 housing units. Each housing unit can hold up to around 70 inmates. I think for right now they've got it at 60 beds.
It was a great project. It's considerably different accommodations than what they had originally. So, but it's a masonry structure, masonry steel structure. This building should be able to last them for 75 years.
County commissioners handed out certificates of appreciation to those involved in the project. Instead of cutting a ribbon, Washington County commissioners, along with the Sheriff's Department, area mayors, and contractors, cut a cable. They used gold-plated hacksaws, files, and of course a cable cutter. Giving a public tour of the facility, Chief Deputy Jake Schultz explained how inmates will be taken away by bus, come back and change before being checked back into the facility.
So they'll grab their own clothes, they come in here, they're searched so they can return to the housing unit. They'll drop their dirty clothes through this laundry chute right into the other laundry room.
Customized for its intended purpose, this one-of-a-kind facility has no kitchen. Meals will be brought over to the inmates. Mirrored tinted windows made of bulletproof glass line the steel reinforced walls for security for staff to view through. The locks on the doors are just as secure as any prison. Video cameras tie back into the main control site. Schultz said a special bathroom was also built where drug testing can be performed. The Washington County Purgatory currently houses around 420 inmates. About 150 of those are state inmates. The new Community Correction Center is still awaiting a fence to be built around the outside recreation area before anyone can move in.
This is a long time coming, and we ended up with a great building, and the commissioner's support went a long way on that, with us being able to do it correctly and put a building in that's going to last.
This is going to be another tool in our toolbox to help us get some of these people that face challenges on a trajectory and an arc through life that will be productive and make them beneficial citizens of the county.
Fulfill their sentences that they have and be able to return to public life.
Many are hoping this new Community Correction Center will help them create programs for an easier transition back into society. From Hurricane, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.